There's a saying in kitchens, it's called mise en place. It means everything has its place. My teacher brought it up to the class. She said that it was a competition for Culinary 1 students.
Today I'm going to be working to get my culinary competitors ready for competition tomorrow. Okay, so Jackson, just make sure that when you're holding it, you've got proper grip.
I figured I'd give it a try and see if I could kick some butt doing it too.
The LPS Culinary Competition provides an opportunity for our students to truly showcase their skills in areas that they might be passionate about.
Go ahead and begin now.
We all come from different ethnic backgrounds, so we tried to pick a dish that was totally like we were all unfamiliar with.
I'm looking for cohesiveness of the team.
We're the Southwest girls. Silverhawks!
I'm looking for them to follow proper cooking methods.
How much onion did you need? How many ounces?
They'll start to get a rhythm of how they're working together cohesively as a group or not.
So you got 3 minutes and you can start the plate and send it up. All right, the window is open!
Yeah, that one's good.
45 seconds.
The last second, they're putting a garnish on it, and their hands are shaking the whole time they're doing it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Anything can happen.
Today we have a lamb vindaloo with a basmati rice and a roti flatbread.
Our chefs represent restaurants, individual businesses.
Definitely cooked. I was a little worried it wasn't going to be cooked.
I mean, these are executive chefs at some of the best restaurants in Lincoln.
Seems like every year there's more opportunity for them with competitions like that.
And they are giving students direct feedback about what they have prepared today.
I think one of the major things I would like to put emphasis on was seasoning.
The spices in the lamb and in the rice both were very good. Just a little bit of salt.
Particularly in this industry, the earlier you start, the better. Going into a restaurant already having knife skills is huge.
I feel good. I feel ready. The tables are a little lower than what they normally are, so I'm a little nervous about that.
What do you like to listen to pump yourself up?
Bass heavy music that just kind of gets me. Competition flowing, adrenaline.
Good luck. Be safe.
It takes a lot of practice to get them right. It's about accuracy and how perfectly we do it. I like the noise that it makes.
You're gonna see us dominate a dessert plating contest.
It takes technical skill and knowledge.
How many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
3. That also combine the arts,
I just love lemon and lavender.
I'm gonna have berries on this side.
color and taste and all these different things that are beyond this really specific technical skill.
Is this the razzle or the dazzle you're doing right now?
This is the razzle, all right? This is the dazzle.